What is an intersection of sets? The intersection of two or more sets is the collection of elements contained in all those sets. For example, given the set A, which contains A, B, and C, and the set B made up of C, D, and E, then C is the element contained in both sets. The intersection of A and B is therefore C. The symbol used for an intersection is this. You may think of it as an upside-down U or a frown. You write it like this: A intersection B. Let's explore this more with an example. Say you love your pets and your parents do too, so your family has several. You wonder which pets you have in common with your friend who also loves animals. Your pets are in set A, and your friend's pets are in set B. Set A is composed of dog, parrot, mouse, guinea pig, turtle, kangaroo, while set B is made up of turtle, monkey, cat, kangaroo. To find out which pets you have in common, you have to figure out which elements the two sets have in common. Do any of the pets in set A also show up in set B? Yes, you both have a turtle and a kangaroo. And there you go. The intersection of set A and B, which represents the pets you have in common, is turtle and kangaroo. Let's look at another example, this time involving three sets. The set C contains the numbers 1, 2, 3. Set D is made up of 3, 4, 5. And 2, 3, and 6 are what comprise the set E. You want to find the intersection of C, D, and E. So you need to find the common elements. You note that C has the elements 1, 2, and 3. Do any of these elements show up in set D? Yes, the number 3. So you know that the only possible element that can be included in the intersection is the number 3. Now, is 3 also included in set E? Yes, it is. So the intersection of C, D, and E is the set containing the element 3. It is possible to have a set that contains only one element. The intersection of the sets C, D, and E is 3. Now, let's look at one final example. What happens if two sets have no elements in common? Like here, where the set F contains the 3 of hearts, the 4 of hearts, and the 5 of hearts, while the set G has the elements 3 of spades, 4 of spades, and 5 of spades. All the elements in F are hearts, and all the elements in G are spades. With no elements in common, you get an empty intersection. You write it like this. The intersection of F and G is an empty set. The intersection of two or more sets is the collection of elements contained in all those sets.